Buick has unveiled its OMPV concept, an ambitious and innovative design that underscores the brand's aspirations in the luxury van market tailored for the Chinese consumer. This eye-catching concept merges modern aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, highlighting Buick's dedication to comfort and sophistication in the expanding MPV, multi-purpose vehicle, segment. The OMPV concept features a sleek, streamlined exterior with smooth lines and a distinctive front fascia that showcases Buick's iconic grille. This design is both stylish and functional, aimed at discerning buyers who value elegance and practicality in their family vehicles. Its generous dimensions provide ample interior space while maintaining a compact profile, making it ideal for urban driving. Inside, the OMPV focuses on creating a luxurious and spacious cabin to enhance the passenger experience. High-quality materials, including plush seating and premium finishes, create a welcoming atmosphere. The thoughtfully organized layout ensures maximum comfort for all passengers, while advanced sound insulation techniques foster a serene environment, perfect for long journeys with family or friends. One of the standout aspects of the OMPV is its state-of-the-art technology. The vehicle features an advanced infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with smartphones, offering connectivity and entertainment options at the fingertips of both drivers and passengers. A large touchscreen interface is conveniently positioned for easy access, while voice-activated controls enhance usability and safety. Safety is a top priority for Buick, and the OMPV reflects this commitment. The concept includes a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to enhance safety and provide peace of mind. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking underscore Buick's dedication to the well-being of its occupants. In line with global trends towards sustainability, the OMPV concept embraces eco-friendly transportation solutions. Although specific powertrain details have yet to be disclosed, Buick has hinted at hybrid and electric options, catering to a growing base of environmentally conscious consumers. This forward-thinking approach is expected to resonate particularly well in China, where demand for green vehicles continues to rise. Buick's entry into the luxury van segment is a strategic response to changing consumer preferences, especially in China, where family-oriented vehicles are increasingly in demand. The OMPV is designed to attract urban families seeking a versatile vehicle that doesn't compromise on style or comfort. With its spacious interior and upscale features, it is well positioned to meet the needs of this expanding demographic. As Buick continues to innovate, the OMPV concept clearly signals the brand's direction. By blending luxury, technology, and practicality, Buick aims to make a significant impact in the competitive MPV market. The unveiling of this concept is also part of a broader strategy to reinforce Buick's presence in China, where the brand has enjoyed a loyal following for decades.